Welcome back to Blind Boxes and Bags. This is episode 5, and today we're going to do some Cute But Deadly Series 2 unboxing. This is made by Blizzard. Here's what the boxes look like, a real up-close, zoomed-in look. It says these are for ages 15 plus, so I figure I should help my boy on this one and see what we can get. Now, this has people from the games Overwatch, Diablo, World of Warcraft, and Starcraft. So, those are all some pretty cool games, and the detail on these look pretty cool. So, I'm excited for them. Bryce, which one do you want to get? You wanted to get Bastion, didn't you?
Yeah.
From Overwatch. Alright, well, let's get to ripping, huh? Alright, buddy, if you want to just divvy those up, if you want to give me some, and...
Here.
Oh, man.
You get all this tapper and I get all that row.
Alright, so we got one case and one extra box here. It's funny because these were on clearance at Walmart for a sticker price of $5, and I thought we can't go wrong there. These look really fun. And then I get them rung up. They're half off on the clearance price, so $2.50 a pop. So,
Remember He-Man, you don't have to open this. Easier way to open them.
okay, yeah, that's a good point. And I'm gonna throw this over there. Oh, it hit the camera.
And
All right.
Dude, this piece is pretty awesome.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got Bastion. That's the guy you wanted, huh?
Ooh, yeah.
From Overwatch.
Yep.
Oh man, who'd you get? This is that dude from World of Warcraft, Illidan.
I knew it was a dude.
Oh,
It looks like
that's
a curve.
crazy. These are some really cool looking figures. Illidan.
See, in the boxes, they just look like regular stuff, like in video games. And in real person, look, it's pretty cool. And I got...
These are very well balanced, especially like the Illidan for how big those horns are. Yeah, I can't get this guy to sit. Huh, he's going right there. Who'd you get? You got Tracer from Overwatch. Sweet.
They got some big games.
Lots of them, huh?
Woo!
Gonna toss that to the side for now. Even the bags are pretty cool.
Who did I get?
Oh, you got the Barbarian
Mm-hmm.
from Diablo. He's got little feet. Wait a minute.
These two look like they could play.
Yeah. I think these are supposed to come with stands. Yeah. And I can't get this one open. Looking for that easy tear.
Yeah, you gotta look all around.
There it is.
We're gonna have to look through mine.
Yeah, they do come with stands. We're sitting here tossing out these stands.
Yep.
Ooh, got another Bastion. Hoping we get the whole set here.
Yeah, it looks like we're starting to.
Cool.
I got the girl. Yeah, then we're gonna have to.
Oh, you got Farah.
But I think you get like two.
I'm gonna get Anubis Farah right here.
There.
Oh, good job putting them on the stands.
So you keep opening them and I can look for the stands?
Whoa! Didn't think we'd get another Bastion.
Bastion.
So we got triples of him so far, which is almost a little disappointing to me because I wanted to get the whole set, but for the price, I don't think that I can complain about anything.
Who's her?
What's that, buddy?
Who's her?
Her name is Nova.
Oh, well, it looks like we're trying to get the full set.
Yeah.
I can't see her.
And who am I gonna get? left. Oh, sweet. Got Raynor.
Okay,
So we got both the Starcraft peoples on the last ones.
this is my last back.
I want to get Anubis Farah. Ooh, you got the rainbow treasure goblin
They're
from Diablo. There's
two, but they look the same, but they're actually kind of different.
yeah.
Like their HUD, their pack.
Yeah, look at this. The goblin, and then he's got a money bag on him from Diablo, and it's got a hole in it. You never saw that game, but it's a pretty cool game. Man, rainbow colored. Oh, you're getting into mine, huh? Alright. Anubis Farah. Right here.
And
She's
we
gonna...
got
Another
first-
Illidan?
And this
Ooh, and I got a World of Warcraft person too, so... Oh, such cool details. Look at that.
Ooh, now here's the way how you stand it up.
Yeah. Hey, you want to work on getting that stand down there?
Yeah.
Her on a stand? Alright, last box. There's one person that I really want to get, and that's Anubis Farah. Or Soldier 76.
Well, to be seen where I didn't not see that girl, she was right in front of my face the whole time.
Alright. I got what I wanted.
What?
Anubis Farah.
Well, anyway, if we wanted to get, do we have the regular Farah?
Yeah.
And
Alright, so that's
even-
what a case will get you. We got the only multiples, well, the World of Warcraft guy. I don't mind having two of him because he's very cool.
Me either.
And
he really
3
scared me.
bastions.
3? I
Yeah.
thought 2.
No, we got 3. We got triples. Other than that, correlation was good. We're gonna have to keep ripping them to get a full set.
Yep.
Awesome.
He gets little feet.
You even got the rainbow goblin. Oh,
I'm
cool,
very
buddy.
confused
All right.
about these black goblins.
Well, that's it for today's episode. We kind of ripped through these pretty fast, but
I don't know how
it was fun.
Yeah, really was.
All right, buddy. And what do you got to say?
Bye.
Leave a like and
Comment down below.
tell us who your favorite character is. Thanks for watching.
Bye.